Gaming on Linux sucks!
Hold on. We've got Steam, you fool.
Yeah, but does it run Minecraft?
No?
Chicken Noodle Code. Go to Minecraft.com. This will take us to, well, we have to accept all the cookies, of course. We're going to downloads here in the games, go to downloads, and I'm going to find the launcher that I have to select for Raspberry Pi, other distributions. Open with files. Download is ready. Minecraft launcher, and double click. There we go. So now this is the part where we have to sign in with the Microsoft ID, and I have one, so that's lucky for me, but I do have to sign in with that email. Say, let's go. This is so awesome. So I have access to the Java edition. That's the license, or yeah, that's the one I purchased a while ago. But I'm not actually using it, so it's my son who's playing it. But he'll be pleased that I'm able to also run it on this machine. I'm gonna say play. I'm gonna test the whole thing. I don't think it clicked. Oh no, I did. Okay. Woohoo! It crashed. No, it didn't. Create new world. Let's see what it's doing. Nice. It worked.
Yeah, but does it run Minecraft?